Shakori Nakatest. Every village claims their fish curry's the best. One side Dulpad, one side fest. But come election, every gone is stressed. Mandrem people shouting, Suze got life. Pernemantis gossip sharper than knife. Bicholim politics getting no Facebook like TV fellows debating like husband and wife. Mobs are mucking noisy as ever. Siolim parties they and never. Saligao people always on the run, while Kalangut cars having lots of fun. Taligao builders raising another tower. Aldona uncles discussing political power. Panjin city busy every hour. Porborim traffic moving like a delicate flower. Santa Cruz bar screaming all night. San Andre Nostigad ready to fight. Kumbarzua crocodiles watching delight. Mayam Ross days disappearing out of sight. Sankalim Panchayat acting fully grand. Valpoi politics is a family brand. Warian Forest crying for help in hand. Priol Pandits shaking Goa's land. Panda banners covering every space. Shiroda buses in a non-stop race. Marsain cashews delivered with grace. Mormugao coal covering every face. Vasco railway station permanent confusion. Dabolim airport the traffic explosion. Kodalim bridge discussions no conclusion. Nuven village yet another bypass illusion. Kurtorim weddings you must attend bro. Fatora stadium losing FC Goa glow. Margao traffic refusing to flow. Benaulim theatre stealing the show. Navelim college girls giving heart attack. Kumkolim still erasing history's flashback. Shinshini football legends never coming back. Velim politics full of backstab crabs. Kepa mining trucks dumped in haystack. Tourists asking dope in every shack. Nobody cares about the double track. North Goa or South, everyone's laid back. Mandrem Jittarolka acting wildfire king. Pernem Pravin Arlikar making promises sing. Bicholim Chandrakant Shatai doing election swing. Tivam Nilkant Halankar selling dreams and packaging. Mabsa Joshua D'Souza with Instagram grins. Yolim Delilah Lobo saying public will win. Saligao Kedarnak doesn't want to commit a sin. Kalangut Michael Lobo shaking every political skin. Aldona Carlos Pereira with Trust Me I. Porvorim Rohan County dressing like Salman Khan vibe. Pajimba Bushmanzar at a roaring line nearby. Taligao Jennifer surviving every political strife. Santa Cruz Rodolfo a simple man walking to bazaar. Sant'Andre Virish Borkara dreaming superstar. Kumbarzua Rajesh Valdesai cruising in fancy car. Mayam Brahman Roche creating private reels bizarre. Sankalim CM Pramod Savant in busy mode. Porie Divyarane walking dynasty road. Valpoi Vishwajit Rane carrying heavyweight load. Priol Govind Gavdane film star dress code. Under no replacement for Ravinake the political dawn. Marseille Sudin Davalikar forever switched on. Shiroda Subhashirodka staying awake till dawn. Mormugao Sankalpa Monkar Vizarta Tukun. Vasco da Gama Krishna Salkar waving non-stop. Dabolim Marvin Godinho turning super flop. Portalim Anton Vaz doesn't wanna stop. Nuven Alex Sequeira doing the champagne pop. Alex Reginaldo attacking with the crowd. Satora Vijay Sardesa debating machine loud. Margao de Gumber Kamat still politically proud. And now Limbenzi Viegas the truth in the cloud. But Churchin Lalimo still having doubt. Navelim Las Cuenca the forever hiding face. Kunkolim Judy Alimao getting ready for a break. Velim Cruz Silva strengthening his play. Rafael Alton de Costa a development case. Kirchhoff Nilesh Cabral in bulldozer tone. Samordem Ganesh Gaunkar holding the throne. Sanguine Subhash Valdesai eyeing the mining zone. Kanakona Ravesh Tabatkar sailing fully grown. Sangre Gormkar Pau 5 years finish. What's the feeling now? Your MLA have made a vow. Tell me he served you and how. Roads to Kazai, jobs to Kazai. Or another 5 years you wanna cry. Watching scams hanging in the sky. Nothing but tears in your eyes. Don't bark daily in WhatsApp fight. Then sell your vote in the dark of night. Rum biryani 500 no delight. And 5 years later you shout system not right. If your MLA worked, vote him again. No fake drama, no useless pain. But if he vanished after victory reign, the next election use your brain. Go ahead, go Anuka Makazai. But power belongs to them, go by. The MLA comes every 5 years to life. Your single vote